send you the document by Tuesday. I will send you the document before Tuesday. What's the difference? What's the difference between by and before when we're talking about time? Here is the summary. By means that exact time or a bit earlier. It's inclusive. Before means definitely before that time. It's exclusive. With by, the deadline is included. With before, the deadline is before. Let me explain more. By 3 p.m. means a bit before 3 p.m. or even at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is included in the deadline. Before 3 p.m. means definitely before 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is not included in the deadline. More examples. Call me by Saturday means call me tomorrow, on Friday, or even on Saturday. Saturday is included. Call me before Saturday means call me today, call me tomorrow, call me on Friday if you want, but definitely call me before Saturday. Saturday is not included. So, by Saturday, the deadline includes Saturday. Before Saturday, the deadline does not include Saturday. It's before Saturday. It's as simple as that. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It will help me post more videos for you and grow my channel. If you want to improve your speaking skills, join my English conversation classes. For more information, go to my website. The link is in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the lessons. If you have any questions, ask me please. And if you are interested in more lessons, now you tell me, what's the difference between I will send you the documents by Tuesday and I will send you the documents before Tuesday?